So, so good evening po, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So, this is our presentation of my assignment. So, our assignment is pigeonhole of principle, concept, computation, and application. So, for the introduction, the pigeonhole principle is a basic but important idea in mathematics. It states that if you place more objects than the numbers of available containers, at least one containers must hold more than object. So for the concept explanation, if an object or variable such as A, B, C, D, and etc., you declare the variable name. So for me, the n is the first variable. So n objects are placed into m containers, and n is greater than m. Then at least one containers must contain more than one object. So for the visual example, this is example. So we have the the object. This is pigeon object, and then for the containers is the boxes, and then pigeon holes. So this is the example of pigeon hole principle. So for the problem and step by step, I create a sample problem like this. So a teacher is assigning 40 students in 6 groups. So for the calculate the problem, use the pigeonhole. This is the step by step of the answer. So we have 40 students, 6 group, and then para po makuha natin yung answer is, i-divide lang po natin siya, which is, ito po, student slash or divide into group. So, 40 divide 6 is equal to 6.66 or round up po natin. So, magiging sagot is 7. So, at least one group must have 7 students for one group daw po. So, for the real life application, so ito po yung mga nakikita kong possible na magamit yung pigeon, yung computer science, data hashing, memory allocation. So, scheduling, limit time slots, cybersecurity, password collision. So, daily life, pa natin yan? Madalas natin ginagamit yan for matching stuff, organizing items, and syempre po sa mathematical proofs po, showing gratitude, refutation. For me, this is my reflection. So through this activity, I realized that the pigeonholes principle is simple but very powerful in solving counting and grouping problems. It helps explaining why certain outcomes are unaudible when resources are limited. I also learned how this principle applies not only to mathematics but also to computing, organization, and real-life situation. Overall, understanding this idea improves logical thinking and problem solving. So, this is the end of our presentation. So, sana po naintindihan niyo presentation ko. Ay lamang po. Tara po sa lahat.